Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. Recently, on a 7-day time frame chart, Zcash has broken out this very long-term downtrend and resistance of this down channel. You can see that at the support of the bigger falling wedge pattern, the price informed this down channel, and now recently we have broken out the resistance of this channel. And after the breakout, the price then retested the resistance of the channel as support here. And after that, we had another nice pump, but got rejected by the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern, and now it is getting bounced on the support from the resistance of the previous down channel that is now working as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very big and massive descending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. You can see that we found the support of the triangle here in the month of Feb 2017. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, another bounce here, then we got stable ejections here and stable touch points here at the support, and now it is bounced again from the support of this big and long-term descending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for internet computer, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared almost 7 days ago. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this with the buying on and sell targets on and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying on and read the sell targets on. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that overall, it is moving inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. We found the support of the wedge here. In the month of December 2020, we had a bounce here, rejection here, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here. And by the way, after the month of July 2020, you can see 2022, we found this downtrend and resistance, and that is the formation of another down channel within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And since after the month of July 2022, the price line could not hit the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern, and after getting bounced on the support of this channel, every time it was getting rejected by this down trend line resistance of this channel. And now recently we have broken out the resistance of the channel. The technical target for the breakout from this channel is by the way here at the top of the channel, approximately at $72. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this channel, imminently it moved to the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern, but got rejected. And now exactly from the same resistance of the channel, it is getting bounced. That is now breaking as a support, and this time it can hit a crisscross of the two resistance levels here. One resistance will be this one, a quite long-term resistance of this down the falling wedge pattern, and the next resistance will be this one that is at $36.50. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and before that it has been breaking as a support here. Here for a few weeks it had been breaking as a support, and before that, if we move more back here, then here it had been breaking as a support here and almost as a support and resistance here as well. This $36.50. And now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this expected breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately somewhere between $380 to $400. And now here on the monthly time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out, already formed this very big and long-term descending triangle. By the way, the formation was started here after this big drop. You can see that we had a bounce from the support of the triangle. By the way, the support and the support of the triangle, we have this complete support zone that starts from $22 and goes to $18.90. That had been previously breaking a support here. Then we had a nice bounce, rejected, bounce, rejected, rejected, and then we had stable touch points here, and now it is getting bounced from the support once again. This time the resistance of the triangle will be approximately at $115. And if the price then breaks out this resistance of this huge descending triangle, then technical target for the breakout will be here. By the way, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if it will break it out from here, then target can be somewhere between $4,800 to $5,000, and I'm expecting somewhere from here then it can hit somewhere between $4,300 to $4,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.